chat, no respect, no not. Me lie down in me bed, man, no room things ugly.
Me say me born in a Jamaica 1981. Mother was a teacher, father was a soldier man. Mother grow me good strong black command. Father grow me good, you know me know the right from wrong. I made a broke school, me get me education. And when me born the earth, me hold me meditation. Tell the ghetto youth, them say fi stay strong. Nobody watch the trial and the tribulation. Nobody take no pressure from the situation. Nobody do no wrong, them lock you up a station. Nobody reaching out here to every nation. And unity we wanna segregation. We don't wanna Taliban, no chop, no chop, no chop, no chop, no bomb. We don't wanna rap, pop, 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 bomb. One for one a lot of land like Matalan. You know we not go rap, we not go make no block a slam. Hey, no touch it, do not touch it, Dana. 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 Tell us some artists from Jamaican land. Big up the great Bob Marley from Donga Central. Big up him son Steve Marley and him son Jonathan. Big up Butcher Bantan, big up Burro Bantan. Big up Sizzla Kalanji and Capleton. Big up Bounty Killer and big up Beanie Man. Big up Super Cat and big up Ninja Man. Big up Admiral Bailey and Shabarang. Big up Lieutenant Stitchy and Papa San. It chain round me neck it yellow like yellow man. Me steam down a fish and mash it up with yellow yam. Water, some ice, some sugar and lemon. Weed and grab me a rub up in a hand. When me drink, you know, said that I the jargon. Cheers, make sure I the Spitfire one.
It's the DJ you've been waiting for. DJ Roy on Irie Jam.
Good afternoon. 25 minutes after the hour, 4 o'clock. It is Irie Jam Radio, Irie Jam 360 on a cool Wednesday evening. And gosh, that did take me back to the underground. So I keep telling David Levy to do the underground reunion, you know, man. Yeah, an official underground reunion. But you need somewhere big, though. Real big. I just think that we need to do a reunion. The underground nightclub. You know? There's so many artists that performed that went to the underground back in the days, man. I remember Shabba Ranks, Lieutenant Stitchy. I remember Admiral Bailey, Tiger, J.C. Lodge. Gosh, so many artists, man. So many artists. We'll see what happens, though. I'll speak to David Levy. Right now, the mix was brought to you by our friends at the attorney's office, Adam Handler, the case handler. And if you've been injured, you've been in an accident, you need to have his number saved. And his number is 844-774-3529. 844-774-3529. That's the number for Adam Handler, the case handler. And he's wearing a tie today, which means he probably was in court today. Let's see. Adam, what's going on, my friend?
Hey, man, how are you? Yes, I was in court early this morning here in Manhattan. Got done around 11:30, and I've been meeting clients all day, so I decided to keep the tie on. And also, of course, you got to look good for everybody out there. I mean, that's just rule number one, right?
Indeed.
I got my little pipe right here. Can you see that?
Oh, yeah.
You know, people say, why do you have a pipe on your tie?
Uh-huh.
I say, because I'm a gentleman. That's why.
You got some English in you too then, mate.
Of course, mate. Of course.
New York City, I'm speaking to the baddest attorney in our neck of the woods. And if you are in an auto accident, slip and fell somewhere, if you got injured on the job, got injured by equipment, got injured in a hospital, wherever you got your injuries, you need an attorney to represent you. And this is where Adam Handler, the case handler, comes in. His number is 844-774-3529. 844-774-3529. You can call him any time of the day or night. If you are injured and you need to know what to do, where to go, who to call, well, you got the number, but they'll tell you everything else that you need to do. And what's so important more than anything, as Adam always says, make sure you, call the police, call the ambulance, and document whatever you can. Now, if you can't, then he understands. This is where he comes in. He's like Inspector Clouseau. He's got his detectives that will go around and ask the questions, take the pictures before, the culprit starts moving stuff around, like if you trip and fell somewhere over a manhole cover that's in front of somebody's house, and then they go fix it a couple of hours after, knowing that, of course, the case handler will be there in a few minutes. Well, this is where he comes in, because then he'll just, subpoena the tapes in the neighborhood to see when that cover was fixed. Adam, am I letting out your secrets?
You are absolutely correct, but you know what? The secret is out. Listen, my verdicts are public record, so everybody out there can see what I've done against the city of New York and the MTA and the village of Freeport and everywhere else, everybody else that doesn't want to pay. So it's all about being an effective advocate. It's all about being a successful trial attorney, making sure that all your I's are dotted and your T's are crossed, and leaving no stone unturned. Everybody's got a camera these days, whether on their phone or even on their doorbell, and there's always some kind of record now of the accident happening. So it's really hard, as long as you're prepared, to have the defendants escape the truth. I mean, we get them. We've had people get us video showing exactly how the accident happened. And it's been very helpful. People taking photographs at the accident scene, people taking photographs at the workplace. I have a case where a gentleman fell off the side of a building, fell about 10 feet because there wasn't proper railing set up, and his coworkers actually took video of him laying on the ground unconscious after the accident happened, and that's going to be obviously very, very helpful at the time of trial. And again, it's about being an effective advocate. You only have one chance and one chance only to get it right. So you better make sure that you got the right attorney working on your case for you and your family.
There you go. And if he's got to go to court, he's wearing that power tie with that big pipe on it, which means the judges know that this is serious business. Now, Adam, I am noticing, wait, before I even continue, let me make sure they have your number, man, because I always say, Roy, I don't think you give out Adam's number enough. The number is 844-774-3529. 844-774-3529. Now, back to, of course, Testimonial Tuesdays. I am noticing now everybody's getting brave at them. They're putting
yeah. They're not using their last names, but they are definitely getting brave. And, with good reason. They're proud of what happened. These are people that came to me with an accident, days after it happened, not knowing what to do, how to do it, where to turn. How would they get compensated for their time out of work? How would they get compensated for the medical bills? How would they get compensated for their injury and their pain and suffering? And it worked out well at the end of the case. I mean, the last one we posted, Eddie, I think it was, 300, how much was it? 372,000, something like that?
Yeah, 372,500. That's serious money.
For a broken wrist. Can you imagine? Broken wrist in 1 year out of work. It was a phenomenal result. He trusted in me. He trusted me to help him out. Stayed with me after I switched firms, and he was the true winner there. He's set up for a very, very long time, and I couldn't be happier and more proud of the work we did for him.
Now, falling off a ladder, is that a tough case to prove? Could it be like, your client's just negligent, he slipped, he wasn't being careful? How do you attack a case like that?
Right. Well, the falling off the ladder example is a perfect example of having the right attorney. If you're an attorney that is well-versed in the construction law, it's the labor law of New York, you'll be able to get around that pretty easily. Generally speaking, the rule is if you're on a construction site and you fall from any height or something falls on you, it's almost strict liability on the general contractor and the owner of the property. So as long as you can establish that the client was on the ladder and he fell off the ladder, you're pretty much in business. But, again, it all comes down to the facts. If somebody's going to say, hey, he wasn't on the ladder, he just slipped on a puddle of water, obviously we have to dig a little deeper and do an investigation. Right. But in this particular case, like I was just saying, his coworker, I think we posted on the page that his coworker actually took a picture of the ladder that was toppled over. He was on a ladder. He's a carpenter who's shooting drywall studs up on the ceiling, and he was up on the ladder, and there was a hole in the floor that the plumbing crew the night before didn't cap. So the leg of the ladder fell into the hole, causing him to topple over and break his arm. So the coworker immediately took pictures showing the toppled ladder, showing the hole in the floor, and that ultimately helped us win that case.
All right. Again, people, your smartphone is not just for talking on. You can take pictures and they can become evidence in your case. So if you're injured, document what you can document, take pictures as much as you can, but really important to make sure you move fast, because some cases you got to move fast on, some cases you can take your time on. But if you're going up against the city, that's where timing comes in, Adam?
Yeah, well, you have 90 days to file a claim against any municipality or any city-run, any municipality-run entity, or even city hospitals, Kings County, Lincoln, Coney Island, let's see, what's the one? Metropolitan. Those are all run by the city, so the deadlines are very, very tight. But usually, people are pretty proactive, and within at least a couple of days of the accident, will have made contact with an attorney if they were hurt badly, and of course, if the accident wasn't their fault. So usually, that's not a big issue to worry about. But again, it's something you don't want to play with. You don't want to sit around for a couple of weeks wondering, should I do something? Should I not do something? It all starts with a phone call. The phone call is free. The consultation is free. Even retaining my services is no money up front. I work on a contingency fee, meaning I get paid at the end of the case if and only if I'm successful for you. So there's really no reason to think about it. If you or you know somebody that's been hurt, God forbid, in some kind of accident, give us a call. We'll let you know how we can help you, if we can help you, why we can help you, and especially if you have immigration issues. My partners handle immigration. They've been doing it probably since I've been alive, and they're excellent at it. So any immigration issues that need to be handled with respect to your case or any other portion of your claim will be handled as well.
Now, what about if you're in a car accident, Adam? Because we're talking about time and how soon once you move. You're in a car accident, but at the actual accident, you felt okay. So, you went home, and then, a day or two later, your back starts to hurt you, and then you find out you might have a slip disc or something even broken inside. Can you still pursue, or are they going to say, well, that could have happened somewhere else?
Well, listen, they're always going to make that argument, but that's where I think a good medical report and an effective advocate will come into play. We don't always feel pain right away. We can go to the gym and work out our arms on a Monday and feel great, and then Tuesday night you're starting to feel all sore, or you can get in an accident in the morning and not feel pain till that night. There's a million different variables, and I've won all those kind of cases. I mean, obviously, past results don't guarantee a similar outcome in the future, but again, it starts with that phone call. I'll help you, guide you through the process, help you file the insurance claims, make sure the medical treatment is being paid for, make sure you're getting the appropriate medical care. And then we can, of course, do whatever we can to make sure that you're the next true life success story.
There you go. Here's the number again. Everyone take your phones out. Save the number. The number is 844-774-3529. 844-774-3529. 844-774-3529. Now, medical treatment, when someone's going to therapy and, they think they're okay, so they stop, or it gets in the way of them going to work, and I'm like, Adam, I want to go to therapy, Adam, but Adam, I got to collect that dollar now. So you're kind of being penny wise and pound foolish, Adam, because you're going for the dollar now when the big amount could come later on.
Sure. Well, listen, I mean, I say to my clients all the time, you can't live your life for a case. If you're not able to make ends meet because you have to, treat or do what you feel is necessary for your own health, you got to do what you got to do. I would never advise anybody to risk their livelihood. But in certain situations, in most accidents, you are entitled to paid leave from work from the insurance company. If you're in an accident, if you're in a car accident, your insurance company pays your medical bills and your time out of work. If you're in a workplace accident, workers' compensation will do it. So I always say, don't push it. Listen to your doctors, follow the doctor's directions. And if they say you need to be out for any certain time, we'll fight to make sure that you're paid. It may take a couple of days to kick in, but certainly we want to keep our clients happy, healthy, and living under their roof. So I haven't had a single client lose their home or not be able to make ends meet under my watch. So again, it's about a full service practice here. We handle everything. Once you come to our firm, you're not doing anything. You're doing the only thing you need to do, which is get healthy. Listen to your doctors. Everything will be filed. The claims will be handled. Your bills will be processed. Everything we need to do to make sure that the process is easy as possible for you and your family is what we're going to do, because it all works towards a common goal, and that's a successful result.
Indeed. Here's the number again, 844-774-3529, 844-774-3529. As the person is asking me in the chat room, can I afford Adam with his powerful tie and his tie bar? Well, Adam, you tell him, because I know.
Yeah, as I said earlier, you absolutely can. I'm the cheapest lawyer out there, man. It costs nothing to hire me. I work on what's called a contingency fee. Generally speaking, for most negligence cases, workplace accidents, slip and fall cases, motor vehicle cases, 1/3 goes to the lawyer at the end of the case. So 1/3 if I'm successful for you. So there's no upfront money, no risk, no reason why you shouldn't have what you believe to be the best possible attorney working on your case.
All right, and that number again is 844-774-3529, 844-774-3529. You dial it, you save it, and if you got any questions, you heard, you can hire him for free. So the questions are definitely for free. Find out where you stand. Here's the number again, 844-774-3529. Adam Handler, the case handler, the Badis attorney in our neck of the woods. Ask Jabba if you think I joke. Ask Axel if you think I joke. Ask Marcus Wanted, who's accident prone, if you think I joke.
How about ask the thousands of clients over the years that I've obtained nearly $70 million for. Right. Ask those people, because you know what? It's all about results. You can say you're good. You can say you do the job. You can say you'll be successful for them. But it's all about the end results. That's what it is. This is a result-based business like everything else. My reputation is everything. We treat our clients like family. And if that makes a difference to you, you'll listen to DJ Roy right now and save that number. Hopefully you'll never need it, but God forbid you do. There's going to be an attorney out there that cares.
All right. Now, before you go, Adam, I have to extend this invitation to you, my friend, because you were there last year for the Bob Marley celebration in SOBs. You and your crew.
When's that coming up again?
It's coming up again on the 6th. All right. So
March 6th.
February 6th. February 6th. That's next Tuesday.
I actually may be out that night, so we'll make it a nightcap. RJ made some promises to me that night last year that didn't come through, but maybe this year he'll be able to hook me up a little bit better. So
all right. So
it's all up to RJ. You let me know, but I'll be happy to have the case handler team there. And thank you very much for the invite.
Yeah, man. You were there last year. We had a good time last year, man. So tell your team, man, if they're not doing anything next Tuesday, we'll be in SOBs. And for you that are listening to the program, if you are in an auto accident, been injured anywhere, and you need the body's attorney, and I mean the body's attorney, to work for you. And work for you for free. That's right. Adam Handler, the case handler. Here's the number again, 844-774-3529. Save the number. If you got any questions, call him right now. He'll take your calls. Adam, my friend, as always, great conversation. And hopefully I'll see you on Tuesday.
Yep, thanks for getting the word out, man. I'll catch up with you this week.
All right, take care. Adam Handler, the Badis. Yeah, and he hangs with us too, you know. Last year, we had a great time at SOBs, man. So for you who's never seen him in living color, come check him out at SOBs. And if you got any questions, give him a call right now. You know his number. He is the baddest in our neck of the woods. He's Adam Handler, the case handler. Yes, man.
Yep, this is Anthony B. You're listening to Irie Jam. Keep it locked. I found a girl. On Saturday, February the 17th, President's Weekend. It's my year-to-year thing called Magnificence. A night of class, a night of elegance. And the Magnificence. We were just kids when we fell. Music by Massive B, Sound Hot 97. Alongside the Platinum Kids and DJ Kali B. No more want a meal for share with me, I'm a friend. And it's all going down inside the Mingles Cafe. 4012 Boston Road in the BX Bronx. Saturday, February the 17th, President's Weekend. Put on your good clothes and roll out. Everybody get out! To a night of class, a night of elegance, and it's called Magnificent.
Swabby, just look on my swag.
Tickets on sale right now at the place we call People's Choice Furniture in the Bronx, Genesis One Restaurant in Queens, exclusive barbershop in Brooklyn. Call 954-470-7666. Free parking for all. And I Jabba presents the year-to-year Magnificent. Bronx, New York. You hear that?
Golden Crust is the home of the world's best tasting patties with a variety of 10 patties: beef, chicken, shrimp, jerk chicken, and vegetable, just to name a few. Also, try the succulent jerk chicken, marinated in our secret recipe of Caribbean herbs and spices, grilled to perfection right before your very eyes. Also, try our Reggae Fest combo meals. So stop by your favorite Golden Crust location today or call 718-OK-CRUST. That's 718-OK-KRUST. Or log on to GoldenCrustBakery.com. Taste the rhythm of the islands at Golden Crust, the home of the world's best tasting patties.
This is Steve Bashman giving thanks and praise for another year of blessings, another year of life, another year to celebrate. Steve Bashman, a Marlon P's big birthday celebration, Saturday, February the 3rd, my actual birthday.
The Aquarius Affair.
The element of elegance.
Tell me what you really like. Mr. McKay's More Than Salads proudly presents the birthday celebration for Steely Bashman and Marlon P. Saturday, February 3rd at Crystal Manor
in Brooklyn.
Hosted by yours truly, me, Raga Shanti, with music by Steely Bashman,
a.k.a. Mr. McKay.
Steely Bashman in love life.
OC Dread and Banky High. Advance tickets are $25 and available online. Steely Bashman Birthday 2018 on Eventbrite.com. Saturday, February 3rd.
Come celebrate with Steely Bashman.
Grown and sexy. Yes, I can't wait. So excited.
It's the element of elegance.
Tired of the hustle and the bustle of New York? Need a change? Own a piece of Florida today. Through a special program, only $2,990 down, payment $225 a month, no credit check. Yes, no credit check to get into a Florida house. 866-548-5263. That's 866-548-5263. 866-548-5263. Check us out online at nybigsunrealty.com. nybigsunrealty.com. We fly you to go see it. We fly you, bring you down there, look on it, you walk on it, you touch it. We put you in a hotel for the weekend. Everything inclusive, airfare, meals, hotel, ground transportation for a small fee. Let's make it happen. Own a piece of Florida. Own a piece of the American dream. Own a piece of the Sunshine State. Only $2,990 down. Payment $225 a month. 866-548-5263. 866-548-5263. Give us a call today.
Saturday, February 10th.
Bang!
Welcome to New Lots.
Bang, bang, boom.
Returns with 3 big sound systems inside one venue.
Bang,
the
bang,
Hall
boom.
Next Door. 2228 Linden Boulevard, Brooklyn, New York. Welcome to New Lots, featuring the world power billboard sound King Eddie's.
Fire, light it, fire, fire, the 45 it a wire.
Straight from Jamaica, the world immortal Stone
Me coulda never
Love.
green dog, me no chow-chow.
And from Guyana, Stereo Sonic, Guyana's #1 sound. February 10th, welcome to New Lots, all going down at the Hall Next Door. 2228 Linden Boulevard, Brooklyn, New York. This event is powered by the New Lots family. R.I.P. Father G-Man.
Light up the new year with explosive savings at Courts.
Out with the old.
In with the new. Get a brand new Ashley living room furniture set for as low as $30 a month.
$30 a month.
With different styles to choose from, we guarantee to have a set that'll match your living room. Visit both our locations.
Our Brooklyn store,
2822 Church Avenue,
and our Queens store,
8956 165th Jamaica Avenue. The most affordable way to shop with Courts Caribbean Easy Credit. A loan for whatever you want.
furniture,
Appliances,
electronics.
Courts, bringing value home.
My richness is life.
Come celebrate Bob Marley's birthday with us at SOB's February 6th. A night of culture and great vibes. The big man's music, roots music, and a gathering of lovers of roots rocking reggae music. SOB's 204 Barracks Street. Doors open at 6 p.m. Early bird tickets are only $15 in advance, $20 at the door.
Come and celebrate Bob the Legend at SOB's. Featuring on stage me, Dre Island, and music from Irie Jam family, Dub Master, DJ Roy, DJ Calibi, and also from Bobby Condas and DJ Gringo. Tuesday, February 6th at Club SOB's, honoring the legend on his birthday. SOB's unchangeable. February the 6th, no matter how you see the dollar stack up, we still not change. We are gonna steer up, so we ain't giving up, no. We put up a fight, we got to be ready for the SOB February 6th, you hear me? Yeah, Dre Island representing.
Courts is a proud